This is the personalized canvas print made from your own supplied photo, and it's made right here in the good old US of A. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, it was super easy to order. You just choose if you want the color or the black and white version. I got this 24 by 36 inch black and white version, and when it arrives, it's about 37 inches by 25 inches. You can feel the cardboard on here. It arrives safely and pretty quick too. Local photographer who's since passed away took a picture of me years ago that I'm really fond of, and I wanted to turn it into a poster-sized canvas print. When this thing arrived, it weighed 3 pounds and 10 ounces, so it's pretty light. Normally I don't show an unboxing in its entirety, but I think it's important here to show you exactly how it was shipped, how it was packed, and how it arrived. So we can see it's sandwiched in 2 pieces of cardboard. Look at that, my own gallery wrapped canvas of myself. Wrapped in plastic to protect the canvas. Oh wow, that is wild. The quality looks great considering the quality of the picture that I uploaded. It wasn't like it was 4K or anything. Pretty happy with that. 36 by 24. The canvas is fully stretched out, stapled into this wooden frame. The frame is about 1.25 inches thick and it's really lightweight. The frame feels structurally really secure. As light as it is, I don't foresee any issues with warping or sagging. Just so you know, that's not a glare on the picture, that's a stage light behind my head. So I uploaded a color pick to make this print. I would have gone with a color canvas, but I decided to go with the black and white because it has more of an artsy look to it. You know, music is art, that kind of thing. So there you go, a really cool and easy way to convert your favorite memories, occasions, or meaningful moments into a canvas print that would look good hanging up anywhere. My dog's getting a little older, and I think I'm going to get a color print of him soon. Very nice, very cool. I like this.